Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, we want to open up Files app, which will be in Management folder right here. At least that's where it is by default. And there is File Manager. Stop on it. Let's allow it. And from here, we're now in the internal storage, so that's the storage of the device. And we can also access the SD card right here. Now, I'm actually gonna capture a couple photos so I have something to move as an example later. Okay, so now I have something to move. Okay, let's go back. So if you're planning to move photos, videos, stuff like that that you have captured with your device, all of them can be found under the DCIM folder. It's either going to be here or on the SD card if you had it inserted and chose to save on there. Usually when you insert a SD card, it gives you a message, do you want to make this your default storage? And then if you choose yes and you take photos, it will be saved there. But the folder is going to be on both places, so DCIM can be found in your internal and the SD card as well. But for me, as you can see, it's on the device itself. So that's basically where the photos, videos are. Now screenshots can be found under the pictures. So right here, you can see there's one screenshot. And then downloads will contain anything that you've downloaded using either your email, browser. So basically anything that you've just downloaded in general. And music and stuff like that. Music, movies usually has files that you have placed there yourself, assuming you kept it organized. I don't think the device saves anything in there by itself, so and that's primarily everything you need to know where to find stuff. So I am gonna move the photos that I have captured. So to get started, what you want to do is hold it. Actually, it doesn't work like that, so I have to probably select it. Where is it? Move. Okay, so you have to first choose which option you want. So when you tap on the drop-down menu, you have either move or copy. Now, move will completely remove them from where they are right now and move it to the new location, while copy will just create an additional set of the same files and add the new ones into your new desired location. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna select move, and then all you need to do is select the files that you want. You can either tap on each individually if you have several but you don't want all of them, or if you want all, you can select all right here. And once you have selected it, you can then choose move. Now also, if you want to keep it a little bit simpler and you don't want to select all these files, you can actually go back to the camera folder, which is in the DCIM. That's where the photos are, as you can see. And you can move the entire folder itself. So tap move, select it, and tap on move. And then it's basically the same option, whatever you select, either the folder or files. And when you tap on move, you will have the two options. So you can move it either somewhere in the internal storage where they are right now. So you just change the location there, or to your SD card, which is on a completely different storage. So I'm gonna choose the SD card right here. And to keep it organized, I'm gonna also place it under the DCIM folder right here. And you can tap on OK. And right here, because the camera folder already exists in here, but it's empty, it gives me an override option. So just gonna tap on override. Otherwise, you could also tap on skip and it will add a number to your folder that you're moving, so it will be camera 1 or something like along those lines. But now you can see that there are the moved files and we're on the SD card, as you can see right here. So if we go back to our internal storage where the files originated from, you can see that it's now completely empty. And this process works for any kind of file, folder, whatever you want to move. It works the same way, and that is how you will do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.